Hi, I'm Dan Weston from Confluent. In this video, we'll go through some of the main features of Confluent Cloud. While we won't be able to go into depth on how to use all of the features Confluent Cloud provides, my goal is to get you started and get your data flowing as quickly as possible. After you've created your account and logged in, you'll most likely be brought to this page. While it is important to create a cluster, we're going to go ahead and put that off for just a second. I'm going to go ahead and click on Advanced Settings and click on Home. Now let's go through some of the features and links before creating our first cluster. At the top left, you'll see the Home link. This is a great place to see some recommended steps and options to get started working with Confluent Cloud. You can click on the Home link on the left side to be brought back to this location at any point. Below Home, there is a link to your environments. This is where you'll access all of your cluster and Flink workspaces. Next, there's a link to the data portal, which shows all of your topics in Confluent Cloud, allowing you to search, request access, and view the data flowing through your environment. Then, Stream Processing, where we can see all of our Flink workspaces. Cluster Links is where we can configure links to multiple clusters, including the use case where you might be using Confluent Cloud and an on-premise Kafka cluster. Last, Stream Shares is where you can set up and manage any topic data that you'd like to share with others. On the top right, we have settings that apply more to your account and the administration of Confluent Cloud. This is also where you'd grant access either through user or service accounts, manage API keys, view metrics, get access to the audit log, and see the Connect log events. As you build out your cluster, you can also use the search at the top of the screen to quickly find the data you're looking for. If at any point you need assistance, you'll see links in the right menu, the bottom left, or in the top menu. Now, let's go ahead and create our first cluster. Since clusters hold data moving through Confluent Cloud, it's important to have it set up and ready to go. Don't worry, you can delete or create a new cluster at any time. So let's go ahead and click on Environments, Add Cloud Environment. We'll give the environment a name, and for this demo, I'm going to stick with the Essentials Data Governance package. Be sure to click on Learn More to see the differences between Essentials and Advanced. Now I'll go ahead and click Create. Next, we'll see a breakdown of the different cluster types. If you'd like even more information on each type, be sure to click on the Compare Cluster Types link at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and stick with Basic and click Begin Configuration. Now you'll be asked where you'd like to store your data, AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. I'll select AWS and pick a region that's close to me. In this case, it's US West 2, and click Continue. If you haven't entered in your payment information, you'll need to enter that at this point. Each cluster comes with $400 free usage, after which your default payment will be charged. If you have additional promo codes, you can also enter them at this point. I'm going to go ahead and enter in a promo code that will delay the need for a credit card for 30 days. I'll go ahead and click Apply. Now you'll need to name your cluster and review the configuration one last time. Once you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and click Launch Cluster. That's it. Your first Kafka cluster is ready to go. The next step is getting your data flowing. Be sure to check out our other videos on adding a connector and configuring networking. You can also follow one of the guides in Confluent Cloud that will walk you through the process. Good luck on your Kafka journey and happy streaming.